Oh my God! I didn't do anything, guys! What is wrong? Oh my God!
Did I get you?
I didn't do anything, y'all!
I just stopped you because your tags are expired.
Okay.
You have your license and registration and insurance? I appreciate it.
I don't know how my tags is expired. That don't make sense. I just got tags.
Well, this is showing expiration of 2024 or October of 2024 for your
Yeah, I
registration.
had something October 24. Haven't I had tags updated since? I just got tagged.
Did you?
Oh my God. So they expired in October?
That's what it looks like. Well, you got a sticker on there that's from this year.
Exactly. That's why I'm like, I know I just got tags not that long ago, so it shouldn't be expired.
Let me go take a look at it and just see if I can find out why they might be expired, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So I have to personally call them and say,
Yeah.
that's weird.
Let me check everything else out. You have that insurance paperwork with you?
Let me see. I don't know if I have. I might have.
I think you handed me some.
I don't even know.
Was that paper you handed me? Was that insurance?
I just grabbed whatever was wrapped up because I usually have it all together. Just
I think that was insurance. If you want to grab it, I can take a look at it. The other piece of paper that you had with it.
I don't know. I gave you my driver's license and whatever else.
That right there.
I don't know if this is the same insurance, but this looks like my last policy. That don't look like that.
Is that like an old one or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'll go see what I can find real quick.
Let's see if I can find it up there.
You got one.
Oh, why is another officer on this side? What's up?
Yes, ma'am. You have a warrant, so I need you to step
A
out.
warrant for where?
I need you to go ahead and step out.
Can you tell me?
I need you to get out of the car.
A warrant for where? Can you at least just tell me that I am? Why
Get
are
out
you
of the car.
doing this,
Get out of the
y'all? I am going to get out of the car.
Get out of
You
the car.
have to use extreme force on
Here,
me.
watch out.
What is my glasses? My glasses. I just need to see. Ouch! Oh my God! I didn't do anything, guys. What is wrong? Oh my God!
Did I get you?
I didn't do anything, y'all. You don't have to do this to me. I'm a person.
Well, you're not a listening person.
I am. I was gonna get out. I just wanted to know. Why did you raise me, bro?
You were refusing to get out of the car.
I didn't tell y'all I wasn't gonna get out. Can I please call my mom? My daughter's at home right down the street, y'all. My daughter.
You stand up for me.
On my eyes. Can you please give me
Stand
a
up.
second?
Stand up.
Can you please give me a second? It's freaking burning my face and
Yeah, it's burning mine too. It's okay.
I can't.
Just stand up.
You're good.
I'm not trying to slip nothing out. Where am I going? Somebody please help. Please video.
Man, we've got cameras recording.
I didn't do anything.
You were
What the
fighting
heck?
with us when we were trying
I
to get
didn't
you out
fight
of the
you. He
car.
came and grabbed me out the car. Are you serious?
Yes,
I
because
asked
you
you
were
why.
refusing to get out of the vehicle.
I didn't never say one time on camera that I was not getting out the car. That's a lie.
I told you to get
Y'all
out
are
of the car,
fucking weird,
and
bro.
you refused.
I didn't refuse.
Yes,
I
you did.
asked, can you tell me where the warrant's
And I
for?
told you Pulaski County, and you still
I don't have a warrant for Pulaski County. That's been the same fucking case for like 5 years.
All right, stand up.
Bro, y'all are so evil. Bro, I don't have
Come on, stand up.
Stand up. You're gonna hurt yourself if you keep falling over
on the ground. If she just wants to sit there, she can sit there.
bro, because
She's not gonna go anywhere.
my fire just flew, bro.
You can clear the channel. Can I get Mims for use force?
Sir, please. Used to get out the car. They just maced me and snatched me out. I'm not a criminal.
You got better for it?
Huh?
You got start Mims yet?
Yeah, I just started. I'm just gonna sit with her and make sure she doesn't try to run off anywhere. I don't think she's gonna run anywhere, but I'm not gonna struggle with getting her up and all that right now.
Oh my God, get out, please. Go.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
You just wanna pull it up right here?
Huh?
You just wanna pull it up right here?
Yeah.
Huh? No.
My glasses. I was already having a hard time. Bro, I was having a bad day. I gotta fix my car. My tire popped and my computer, everything out, bro. I didn't do anything.
Listen, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you didn't see what they just did to
No,
me.
let's go ahead and stand up.
I can't.
Okay,
She
well,
didn't
Mims
get
is
out.
on their way, so I'm going to get you out of the road.
Please,
until they
can you
get here.
bring them here, bro? I need my mom because I didn't do anything. They just put force on me for no reason.
She's got sprayed, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
Bro, they sprayed me for no reason.
Well, I was just going to go ahead
Please
and
run
pat
the
her down.
tape back. No.
You don't have anything on you,
I'm
do
a
you?
young lady, bro. What would they
Oh, yeah, you did.
I mean, you live in
Yeah, it's all on the
Go ahead and let me, I just got to be sure you're
Damn.
Hey, what did you stop her for?
Yeah, they were
Her license has been, or her registration has been suspended. She's supposed to have a warrant. I gotta verify her warrant though.
Yeah, oh my
I know she's going to
God.
go for other things. So.
Yes.
So,
I just need my mom, man. I swear to God.
can you just scoot my car up? So
Yeah.
I'm not blocking the two.
Yeah. Huh? Alright.
81, you advise all units are clear from 6313 Geyer Springs.
Well, we're not going to look at this guy. We're not going to go for a chase. If you need help, you can call back.
Whipple, if I got you, I apologize. I wasn't trying to.
I
didn't mean to get you.
To me, bitch.
Did I actually
Are you
get
crazy?
you? Oh man,
I don't give a fuck at this point.
I'm sorry.
Y'all are going to fucking jail now.
I'm gonna verify her warrant real quick. I'm gonna verify her warrant. You might just want to sit in the car. Did I get your eye?
Yeah, I went straight in my eye.
Oh, dude, I am so sorry. I accidentally sprayed Whipple. You said what?
Y'all got this handled.
Yeah, we're good. Unless you want to assist
You know,
with
Trevor, go
that.
ahead.
They might need some assistance. Hey, Lyles is coming. Or so. She got sprayed.
and the toe slip, okay?
Okay.
They're gonna
You
check.
wouldn't mind, would you be able to go check on her daughter?
Where's your daughter at?
Apparently down the street.
Is she giving us an address? Because she ain't talking to me. I just...
Let me see if there's one on here. It's 8 Clint Court, apartment A. It's right down here.
8 Clint Court, apartment A. How old's his daughter supposed to be?
15. So she can be at home by herself, but
So
I
we're
just
gonna...
I just want to make sure she's all good and knows mom is not coming home right this second.
Clint Court, apartment B.
I think A is what it said.
Chili at 36.
Go ahead.
You're 7 sweet.
So we
And
got,
four.
we got some scratch marks.
Oh. Did she bite you or kick you? Oh. Y'all mind moving out of the way so she can go check on this kid?
Mine's parked there so that way nobody runs into these.
Sorry, acting, you have a file now.
Will you move that car?
She I stopped her registration is suspended
Oh, okay, yeah.
for failing to have proof of insurance, and she's got a warrant.
Yeah,
out of
Price
county.
County for possession of the instrument of the crime.
Yeah, and then she started freaking out when he walked up and asked why there was two of us. And I was like, well, you got a warrant, so I need to go ahead and get out. And she was refusing to get out, asked where the warrant was from. I said Pulaski County. She still refused to get out, so we started pulling on her. She was fighting with us, wouldn't get out, so I sprayed her.
Okay.
And then we got her out of the car and got her in cuffs.
Man, easy enough.
Yeah.
You didn't have to take
And
her
I
to the gun or
accidentally
anything?
got him as well. Yeah, she went to the ground,
Okay.
unfortunately.
On the hand, we use pepper spray.
Yeah. Sorry.
I got a big text to it.
That's the first time I've used my spray.
Yeah,
It works.
On a human.
Yeah, that's true. He was there when I sprayed a dog. Oh, reset our camera.